Your online store is fast. Your Shopify sales are flying in, but your back office is still playing catch up. Orders come in, but your ERP doesn't know. Inventory gone wrong, finance is waiting. It's just not a gap, it's a growth bottleneck. Across the world, brands, big and small, face the same silent struggle: disconnected systems. When sales happen in Shopify, fulfillment runs in spreadsheets, Business Central only updated as your last manual upload. Here is what that really means. Regional warehouses oversell because your ERP didn't reflect Shopify's flash sale. Finance teams lose hours reconciling transactions because orders were modified after sync. Refunds and cancellations missed, delayed, and often duplicated. Customer support teams operating blind. They don't see the real time order or shipping status. This isn't about tech inefficiency, it's operational risk and it compounds as you scale. Now imagine a world where Shopify and Business Central move as one. Whenever an order is placed on your storefront, a sales order immediately appears in Business Central. Inventory gets updated across every warehouse. Fulfillment is tracked, shipped, and confirmed. And your customer already notified. Disconnected systems cost time, money, and customers' trust. So, if we integrate smarter, deliver faster, we can scale our business more confidently. So, to solve this problem, here we have the integration, a seamless integration between Shopify and Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. In this demo video, I'll showcase how we APPSeCONNECT can integrate your ERP and e-commerce very seamlessly. So let's start by creating a customer in Shopify, which will be directly synced to our. Let's give the first name as, say, Rehan, and the last name as Miller, a mail ID, and a password. Now we'll create this account here. And we'll add the address as well for this particular customer. So we have added the address as well, as you can see, and there is no order history since we have just created this customer named as Rehan Miller. Now this customer will be done. Now let's go to Business Central and find this customer there. So here from customers module, we'll search the customer with the name that was Rehan Miller. Here we have the customer. We have the customer, the address, the mail ID. So that's how the customer synchronization occurs between these two applications. That is, one is Shopify and the ERP is Business Central. Now next, what we'll be doing is that we'll be adding a new item in Business Central which will be synced to our Shopify, and along with that we'll update the inventory that will also be reflected in our Shopify store. Now from here, let me go to the items tab to create a new item. So giving the item name as, say, SR headsets. Let me give an item category, say miscellaneous. Now let me add the other details. Let me add a description here. Another description, say color blue, and we'll add the price also, say 800. From here, let me add it here also. So I have given the pricing and all the other details. Now what we're gonna do is that let me add the inventory also from here. Let me select a warehouse where we'll add the inventory. Let's set the quantity to 70. As you can see, a new item named SR headset has been created in Business Central, and I have also added the inventory for this particular item. Now so let's go to Shopify and find this item. So from here we will search with the item name, that is SR headset. Here we have the item which have been synced with the pricing and the description also. And since we have updated the inventory also, that's why we can place an order with this particular item. So now I'll be placing a new sales order from Shopify store, which will be again synced to our Business Central. So in the checkout option, we'll add the credit card details and pay now. So we have placed a new sales order for the particular item that have been synced and the customer that I have created, named Rehan Miller. And now this sales order will let's go to Business Central and find the sales order from the sales module. So from here we'll go to sales order and find the order with the customer name, that was Rehan. Here we have the order been synced successfully. If we open the order, so we have the name, we have the order number, and we have the line item also, quantity, and the total pricing also. So that was a sales order synchronization from Shopify to our Business Central. That's how we integrate e-commerce and ERP very seamlessly, so that you can boost your business efficiency and streamline all next time.